Hello, Yen. Good evening.
Hello, teacher. Good evening,
Hi.
teacher.
Okay, so I'm glad to see you again, Yen. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. What are you doing? What did you do today?
Today I go to school.
Oh, you've been to school. Okay, are you done doing your homework?
Yes, I do.
Are you done doing your homework?
Yes, I do.
Okay, your
Yes,
sound
I
is
do.
very low. I don't know why. I can't hear you.
Yes,
Okay.
I do.
Okay, so great. What about eating your dinner? Are you done eating?
Yes, I need.
Great. Okay.
Yes.
So, can you hear me well? Is it my sound is good?
Yes, I can.
Great. Okay. So this time, are you ready? Let's start.
I'm ready.
Okay, Kids Box Movers, Unit 13, Health Matters, Lesson 62, Reading. Okay, so review. Look and answer the question. What did they do last week? She went
We
he
went
went
to the dentist.
to the dentist. Next.
He took some medicine.
Okay, took. He took
Took.
or he or she because we don't know if it is a girl or a boy took some medicine. Okay, what about this one?
He visit her grandmother.
They went
They went
to the hospital
to the hospital
to see.
to see grandmother.
Yes, okay. One more time. They went
They went to the hospital look
to see.
to see the grandmother.
Okay, very good. Okay, so our lesson objectives is read the comic Lock and Key, learn some words about musical instrument, body percussion, read about music and how to play percussion instrument. Table of contents, review reading, and summary reading. Oh, okay. So Comic Lock and Key, watch the video.
Lock and key, lock and key. From the detective agency, we can find it wherever it may be. We are Lock and Key. Go! So, Nick Motors, the car thief, is back in town.
Sorry I'm late. I went to the hospital to see my Aunt Emma. She's got a bad cough. I went to the hospital shop. There was a man there. He had black hair and a big nose. I think it was Nick Motors, the car thief.
Ooh, in the hospital. Let's go there now. I really want to catch Nick Motors this time, Key.
No problem, Lock.
We need to go inside quickly before he runs away.
Oh, hit him. Oh! There he is! That's him, Lock!
No, Key. He's not Nick Motors. He's a doctor. Nick Motors isn't inside the hospital, Key. He's outside in the street. And...
He's taking our motorbike!
Okay. So now read again and answer the question.
So Nick Motors, the car that is back in town. Oops, sorry, I'm late. I went to the hospital to see my aunt Emma. She's got a bad cough. I went to the hospital shop. There was a man there. He had black hair and a big nose. I think it was Nick Motors, the car there in the hospital. Let's go there now. I really want to catch Nick Motors this time, Key. No problem, Lock. Why Mr. Key late? Because Mr. Key went to the hospital to see your Aunt Emma. What is the
Okay.
matter with
To the
Miss
what?
Aunt Emma?
Why is Mr.
She
Key
got a
late?
bad cough because he went to the hospital to see his Aunt Emma. What is the matter with his Aunt Emma? She has got a bad cough.
Okay, very good. Next.
Come on, we need to go inside quickly before he runs away. That he is. That's him, Lock. No, Key. He's not Nick Motors. He's a doctor. Nick Motors isn't inside the hospital. He outside in the street and he taking our motorbike.
Okay, is Nick Motors inside the hospital?
No, he isn't.
Okay. Number 4.
What is he doing outside? He taking our motors.
He is taking Mr. Key and Lock
Taking Mr. Key
motorbike.
and Lock's
Okay.
motorbike.
Next for our vocabulary is drag the words into the correct blanks. Where is the whole note, half note, Okay, human body, full note. No. This one is 8 note. 8 note. Quarter note. Quarter. This one, quarter note. Half note and rhythm. Okay, so can you please read it again and remember it? What is it? Human
Human
body.
body. Fourth knot. Eighth
8.
knot. Quarter knot. Half knot.
Rhythm. Rhythm.
Repeat knot.
Okay,
Repeat
very good.
rhythm.
Okay, so now circle the correct answer. Okay, what is it? Is it notes, rhythm, language? Okay. Okay, so read the sentence.
Re- Rhythm tells us how long the knots are. They can be whole knots, half knots, quarters knots, or
Not
two
notes, notes. Say the word notes. Quarter notes.
quarter notes, or 2/8 note. Ry- Rhythm is very important in three sound music.
Okay. Very good. Next for our reading. Take the correct answer. Okay. A percussion instrument.
A percussion instrument is a musical instrument that makes a sound when he hit or shake it. We can use different kinds of instrument or other things to make percussion
Percussion.
music. Percussion is a big musical family. Percussionists sit in the back of the orchestra tow- towards
Towards.
toward towards the left side.
Okay. Which is not true about the
We,
text.
we can play
This is not true. This is true. This is not. Because the orchestra is left side, not in front. Right? Right, Yen? Okay, very good. Next.
Function.
A percussion instrument. Okay, read it, Yen. Percussion is, what is percussion?
Percussion is a big musical family.
Yes, very
Percussion.
good. Musical family. Next.
The the human body is also a great percussion instrument. There are different kinds of dance and music which use parts of the body. There are some body percussion activities which are perfect for children of all age. There are rubbing hands together, clicking fingers, clapping softly, and so on. The human body can make any sound.
The human body can make sound by using part of it. Okay, very good, Yen. Okay, next.
Which activities is not that
Okay, read it, Yen. Oh, no. Okay, which activity is not mentioned to the text? Yes,
rubbing
stomping,
hands together?
which is not
Stomping.
mentioned. So you're right, stomping. Okay. This is, okay. Can you see the word stomping here? Okay, next.
The notes of music tells musician that
What?
luggage to play and how to play them. It can be long or short, loud or quiet, quick or slow.
Okay, so read it.
The notes of music tells musician that luggage to play, how to play and how to play them. It can be long or short, loud or quiet, quick or slow.
Okay, very good. Oh, that's it for our summary. Okay, so what have you learned in our lessons today?
Today I learned about new words, speaking and reading.
Okay, what else?
No.
Okay, so let's do our
Lock and key.
recap.
Comic Lock and Key. Watch the video and read comic Lock and Key. Read again and answer the question. Vocabulary. Drag the words into the correct blanks. Circle the correct answers. Reading. Tick the correct answers. Drag the words into the correct blanks. Summary.
Okay,
What can
summary.
you
For our
do
summary. What can you do today? Put a
uh,
tick or a cross in the box.
today?
Okay, today you read about Stella's family.
No. Today I
You read
watch
about
and read
family
the comic.
portraits.
Today I watch and read the comic.
Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, so you're done here. So what is our vocabulary word? Our vocabulary word is human body, whole note, eighth
Human
notes,
body,
quarter
human body,
notes, half notes, and rhythm. Okay, so
rhythm.
remember this, okay? Okay, so for our summary is read the summary number 1.
1. Review health. 2. Reading. MC quiz about musical instruments. 3. Comic Lock and Key. Listen and read the comic. 4. Homework. Check LMS system.
Okay, MCQs about musical instrument and home is check LMS system. Okay, do you have any question?
No, I don't.
Okay, so let's have here for our reading comprehension. Okay, so are we done reading here? Yen? Okay,
Yes. Ryan
Ryan, not Ryan,
Ryan attend Ryan
attend,
attends school
attends,
money
not attends,
attend
attend.
Ryan
Ryan attend school
Ryan at, Ryan attends school Monday through Friday. Every day he has several classes
classes,
to attend: English,
English,
French,
French,
music, science, math, gym, and history. Ryan's father prepares a lot
backpack.
backpack with 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 books and lunch. How many days a week to Ryan go to school? 5.
Okay, let us see. Oh, next question. Which of the following is another name for backpack?
Rucksack.
Okay, rucksack.
His first class is French and he adores his teacher. Ryan knows that his French teacher thinks he's an excellent student since
Since
she says
since she say
since since she says he's a good pupil. In which class French.
very good. Okay, which is antonym of the word excellent?
Inferior.
The opposite of antonym. Inferior. Say the word inferior. Okay, question number 5.
Scientist he is his next class. This class is difficult of Ryan to understand, but he gets to interact with his classmates
Frequently.
frequently,
Frequently.
frequently, which he enjoys. Ryan's friend Liam works with him in science class and they have a good time.
What is it? He enjoys work
He,
with his friend, or he
no,
loves science. He loves science class.
he and Liam collaborate in class.
Okay, let us see. No, he loves science, right?
I love
Because it says
science.
here, frequently with he enjoys science and Liam works with him in science. Okay, so that's it for our lessons for today. So we're going to continue this if we have an extra time. Okay, thank you so much, Yen. Have a good night and see you again.